Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome back to the Dutch C channel. Thank you very much for tuning in for a quick outdoors narration test with the Gopro Hero8 Black. I'm shooting this video in 2.7K 30 frames a second. Hypersmooth is on and it's a wide angle or a Superview. Now I don't have an external microphone on the camera and it is super duper windy. This is a horror scenario for any camera, so if you can make out what I'm saying at all, that would be almost a miracle. So yeah, so that's the test. I hope to be able to use this camera for outdoors videos as well. So do I need a microphone even though this is a horror scenario? I probably would never go out and shoot a video in this weather, even though it's nice and sunny. Right? It's the middle of winter, but it is also very windy. Again, I probably wouldn't be outdoors shooting videos in this amount of wind. So yeah, if this works out, that would be enormously good. So yeah, that's the test, and let's while we're at it, shoot some video against the sun. Am I now a black shadow, a black vignette, a black outline? You tell me. I should be, but well, let's see what the dynamic range of this camera actually is. And that's it for this video. You tell me, was I audible? Could you make out what I was saying? Thank you very much. Bye bye.